Let's talk about something everyone loves, sanding. One of the great things about having a testing center is that we get to work with a variety of products and tools. One of those product lines we've been testing over the last 4 months is the new Dynabrade Extreme Sander Series from Dynabrade. From body technicians to painters, we've all had that debate over which DA to buy. What makes them different, or is there even a difference? First, we love that these are American-made tools. Since 1969, the Dynabrade team has been making great products in New York. Next, these tools check off a couple of important boxes for you as a technician. Diverse applications, consistent power, comfortable use, and repeatable performance. Now, let's break each of those down. First, diverse applications. You need tools that fit the repair. It saves you time and increases your repair quality. This series of sanders are offered in 3, 5, and 6-inch diameters. From there, you can choose either a 3/16 of an inch orbit for general sanding or a 3/32 of an inch orbit for those ultrafine sanding applications you need in the paint shop. Then, Dynabrade makes each of these sanders available for both vacuum and non-vacuum applications. They can be used with either hook-faced or adhesive sanding discs. Putting all that together, you get to pick the right tool with the right application for each repair. That flexibility lets you move quickly. Our next key find was the tool's consistent power operation. For this tool series, Dynabrade unveiled a new motor design that has great power to weight ratio, meaning you get a powerful tool without the heavy motors we've experienced in the past. They've paired that new motor with an all-new rotor design that helps reduce friction, allowing the technician to keep the power throughout the operation. That leads me to my next key feature, comfort. As I've mentioned, the tool features a lightweight motor. Let's face it, when I'm not sanding on a flat, horizontal surface, tool weight plays a big part of overall comfort. We like using this tool on doors, fenders, and bedsides. Outside of the weight, the palm design offers a lot of wrist support that eliminates some fatigue from the technician. We see this as a great combination for the custom and commercial technicians that sand for hours each day. When you pair the grip design with the weighted sanding pads, you get a noticeable reduction in vibration compared to other tools I've used. Now, let's talk specifically about some of the features with the vacuum system tools that combine power and comfort. Dynabrade completely reimagined the specific application and made 2 great improvements. First, they increased the port size. This upgrade allows the tool to capture more dust, keeping the area on the panel I'm sanding dust-free and in turn, keeping my repair area cleaner. Next, when vacuum sanding, I've always found myself wrestling with hoses, constantly adjusting, trying to find the most comfortable sanding position. But that's not the case with the Extreme vacuum system and its integrated swivel cuff. This cuff provides a secure, maneuverable vacuum connection that I don't find myself constantly battling with. Not since the G.I. Joe with the Kung Fu grip have I been this excited about grip technology. All these tools offer an extremely comfortable, soft grip integrated into a rigid composite base with a recessed throttle lever to minimize pressure on my hands. We tested these tools with a variety of abrasive products, including Dynabrade's own line of sandpapers. Their sanding discs are aggressive, offering quick material removal and long life. We spent more time with the vac tools. While performance of the abrasive was not our focus, we did note that all the papers were performing well. Keeping the work area and abrasive disc clean will always increase the paper's longevity. This could just be another benefit of the increased port size that led us to fewer paper changes. And with fewer sandpaper changes, my work area stays cleaner, I've got a lot less waste, lower expenses, and the boss is happier. Well, as happy as she can be anyways. One other thing to mention is right now, Dynabrade is offering these as combo packs. You can get a 3-inch and a 6-inch in vacuum or non-vacuum, as well as a sample pack of the new papers. All these features solidify this line as a collision hub cool tool. If you want to achieve consistent, superior finishes in less time, check out the Dynabrade Dynabrade Extreme Random Orbital Sanders at dynabrade.com.